Yeah, well, welcome back to another tutorial by yours truly, Shag Carpet Productions. Check it. Check out the Shag Carpet. Alright, this tutorial is going to be about making beats with FL Studio. Yeah, FL Studio, but on a Mac. Tac. Check it. So here it is, FL Studio demo version you're going to choose. And then you can download it from various sites. Get it. It's going to be an exe file strictly for Windows, but we're going to show you the trick of getting it on your Mac. So if you Google crossover for Mac, you'll come up with the website www.codeweavers.com, and you can download the trial version, or you can buy it for $39.95. It's a steal because you can run Windows programs without the Windows operating system license, which is what I'm going to be doing with FL Studio. Let me adjust my mic. Okay, so here we go. Crossover is in the dock. It's as simple as that. And you go to Crossover Applications. This will list all the Windows programs that you have running through Crossover. In this case, it's FL Studio. It's going to take a couple seconds to pull it up. You get a lot through this demo version. A lot of the big name rappers today started off on FL Studio. Okay, so this is the general workspace here. There we go. That's what I like. Alright, so here we are. If it's out of whack by any chance, you just go up to View and Arrange Windows Default. That's what you want, default. To build your beat, you're simply going to put in some designations here, and these are your instruments: snare, hat, clap, kick. Now you can bring in more of them. This allows you to select different beats. There's all sorts of drum kits, so we can put another. Let's put another beat. I'll show you how to put a beat into the instrument into your. So then we can throw that on there and see what that sounds like. Now here's where we're gonna get fancy. We're going to start painting our song. So if you look here, this is our beat, our pattern, in other words. But if we want to build a song, we're going to paint it in here, and it gives you the options. Pattern 1. So we're going to paint it in the first measure. Maybe 3 measures. Alright, good. This is our playlist or song. Now, track 1. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to pattern 1, and we're going to clone that beat. So now if you look here, it says pattern 2. It's the same thing. You can switch back to pattern 1 if you want to, but we're going to improvise on pattern 2. So instead, we're going to put like a couple snares in, and let's hit double bass on that, and let's see what that sounds like. That sounds horrible, but it's for the demo. We don't really care what it sounds like. Okay, let's some more snares. Let's just pattern. We're going to paint that pattern here under, let's say, pattern 2. So now we have pattern 1 here and pattern 2. So let's try this, playing the song. Now we're going to play the song. And then we can go back to painting the pattern 1. If we switch to back to pattern 1, we can paint pattern 1 some more. And you see the how it works, building your song. So let's play this one more time. Notice I've pressed the song now instead of the pattern. If we want to work on the beat, we're going to switch it back to pattern. But right now we're just working on this entire song. Back to pattern 1. Should go back to pattern 2. There you have it. Now if we want to export this file, export, and it gives you options of WAV, MP3, MIDI, etc., etc. Not exactly sure what that is. One other thing, you cannot, once you close out of FL Studio, exit here, you cannot edit your beat again. That's the limitation of the demo version of this product. So make sure you have everything that you want, your entire song.